In this video, we will learn how to disassemble transfer belt in HP Color LaserJet printer. Right now I have LaserJet Pro MFP M277fdw printer. The same method will apply in all other Color LaserJet printers like 281, 283, 180, 181. Similar shape like this. So we have transfer belt is broken. This is inside transfer belt broken. We will replace a new other one. We will disassemble the transfer belt. This is a transfer belt. If I will show you, this is the transfer belt that I'm gonna replace, and in the printer it's broken or damaged. We will disassemble like a paper. So we will disassemble, and I will show you how to disassemble the transfer belt. So we have to open one side cover and back cover. Okay, we have to remove one screw. We will pull this lock and we will rotate to downside, then the wheel will come out, and same like here. We have to first pull this up because I want to make it visible for you. Okay, and now you can see in plastic. I pulled and make it up like this, and now it will release its lazy transfer belt. Okay, just I pull and I moved up. If you can see, I will zoom in. This was okay. We have to remove this also because it will not come out unless this one I removed. So there are two screws. One this screw. I will lift these two locks up, and tray should be outside for tuners. Pull this out. This is the transfer belt that is damaged. Fix that way, make it down. All locks fixed well. Now we will insert back tuners and we will check this part. We open, we can fix it same like this. There are two tiny holes, one on the each side, and we will fix back like this. Subscribe.